Hey, this is the route. This is site VA74492, and this is the proposed route for the AC and fiber to the T-Mobile platform. This is your pole here of AEP. Let's see. And this is the GPS coordinates for it. Sorry guys, I'm having to walk around. If you have any problem seeing that, that is 37.19978, negative 80.27129. Okay, what we need to do now is we need to measure from this pole to the compound where we're going to locate the fiber box, and we want to go under the fence to the T-Mobile compound. Okay, here's the challenge right here. This will have to be cleared here because we'll have to trench this underneath, and let's see how far it says we are going to go. Give me a second here. Let me put my camera on my attachment. Takes just a second to get things set up. Alright, this is the route here from the pole. Let's set our wheel to 0, and let's get a rough estimate of what we're looking at. As I say, we'll have to clear a route through here. So I want to take the path of least resistance. Like I said, this will have to be cleared. Okay, so here's going to be the Segra fiber box right here, okay? And I'm measuring this right at 100 feet. Okay, right in front of us is where the T-Mobile platform is going to go. This right here appears to be, this is Chantel's is what we think it is. There's the existing meter, but as you can see, we're not going to attach anything here. What we're going to have to do, fiber pole box here. Let's go to the inside of the compound. We'll take both the AC and the fiber conduit under the fence. So this is where T-Mobile's platform is going to go right here. It's going, like I said, this is next to Chantel right here, which is 68777. Now, there was a photo taken over here of this H-frame, but this right here is for AT&T. Okay, and we were talking about mounting this H-frame. Well, let's look at the path we'd have to take to go over here. We have to come down through here between these two pull foundations right here, over, and like right here is where we're going to go across the walk or across the entrance, and we have to come over here. So, as I say, and if we're looking at this, it's going to be about 52 feet. So what we want to do is, like I said, let's bring it in, fiber, and AC. Right here is going to be the location of the Segra vault, conduit up, and right here to the 15 by 28 T-Mobile platform. Any questions at all, please give me a call. I'm glad to help, and hopefully this will solve this problem.